Think you need to starve to lose belly fat? Think again. These 10 exercises torch belly fat, no diet, no gym, no excuses. In just minutes a day, you can reshape your core, boost your energy, and finally feel confident in your body. Ready to change your belly without changing your plate? Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of hearing abs are made in the kitchen but just can't seem to stick to a diet, this video is exactly what you need. Because here's the truth, you don't have to count every calorie or give up your favorite foods to see real changes in your waistline. Exercise alone done the right way can trigger belly fat loss by targeting your core, burning more calories, and building lean muscle that keeps your metabolism fired up 24 hours. In today's video, I'm walking you through 10 proven exercises that require no equipment, no diet changes, and no more excuses. You can do these at home in your living room in your PJs if you want and still get results. These exercises are not just about movement, they're designed to activate your deep abdominal muscles, melt fat, and increase core strength. And the best part? You only need 15 to 20 minutes a day. So if you're ready to feel stronger, slimmer, and more in control of your body without obsessing over food, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and let's dive in. 1. Standing cross crunches. Want to lose belly fat without ever lying on the floor? Standing cross crunches are a perfect way to start. This exercise specifically targets your obliques, the muscles along the sides of your waist, and your lower abs, while also giving your heart rate a quick jump. Because it's done standing, it's easy on your back and joints but hard on belly fat. Stand tall with your feet shoulder width apart. Place your hands gently behind your head without pulling on your neck. Now bring your right elbow diagonally across your body to meet your left knee. Crunch with control, don't rush. Focus on squeezing your obliques as you twist. Then switch sides, bringing your left elbow to your right knee. Imagine you're twisting the belly fat out of your body, tightening your core with every move. This exercise combines core strengthening with cardio, making it a double threat for burning fat. You engage multiple muscle groups at once, revving up your metabolism and building muscle definition around your waist. Plus, it's beginner-friendly, no equipment, no complicated moves. Just consistency. Doing standing cross crunches for 45 seconds, resting 15 seconds, and repeating 2 to 3 times will wake up muscles you never realized you had. Over weeks, your core will feel stronger, your waist slimmer, and your confidence will soar. Remember, the key is control, focus on quality, not speed. This move proves you don't need to lie down or hit the gym to get serious belly fat results. Ready to stand tall and shred? Let's go. 2. Plank knee tucks. Plank knee tucks may look simple, but this exercise is a powerhouse for sculpting your core and melting belly fat. It's a blend of strength, endurance, and cardio that fires up your abs from every angle while also engaging your shoulders, chest, and lower body. Start in a high plank position, hands directly under your shoulders, body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, imagine pulling your belly button towards your spine to keep your hips from sagging or rising. Now pull your right knee toward your chest as far as you can without dropping your hips. Hold briefly, then return your leg to plank position. Repeat with the left knee. Perform this movement continuously for 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 rounds. This move activates your entire core, especially the lower abs that are hardest to tone. The plank stabilizes your midsection, building muscle that supports fat burning even when you're resting. The knee tuck adds dynamic movement that cranks up your heart rate and calorie burn. The best part? No equipment needed, just your body and determination. If you're consistent, you'll notice your belly tightening and your posture improving. The strength you build here will translate into better balance, enhanced athletic performance, and a leaner waistline. This isn't just exercise, it's a commitment to transforming your body and mindset. Keep your form tight and feel the power in your core grow with every tuck. You've got this. 3. Flutter kicks. Flutter kicks are a fiery lower ab move that can feel tough at first but deliver incredible results when done right. This exercise targets the deep core muscles that stubborn belly fat loves to hide behind. With consistent effort, flutter kicks help flatten your lower belly and build core endurance. Lie flat on your back, legs extended and arms at your sides or tucked gently under your hips for support. Lift both legs about 6 inches off the ground. Keeping your legs straight, alternate small controlled kicks up and down like you're swimming through the air. Don't let your heels touch the floor. Maintain steady breathing and keep your lower back pressed into the floor to avoid strain. Do flutter kicks for 45 seconds, then rest for 15 seconds. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. Flutter kicks engage the lower abs intensely, the area that's notoriously hard to tone. Because the legs stay off the floor, your core has to work continuously, which revs up your metabolism and activates fat-burning hormones. This exercise also strengthens hip flexors and improves your overall core stability. Yes, it will shake, yes, it will burn, but that's your body waking up and fighting back against belly fat. As you build strength, you'll notice increased endurance and a tighter midsection. Don't rush through, this control is key. Each flutter kick is a small victory on your journey to a firmer, leaner core. Keep pushing, you're sculpting more than just your abs, you're sculpting your confidence. 4. Bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a dynamic full core move that torches calories and tones your abs from every angle. This exercise combines a twisting motion with a cycling leg movement to work your upper abs, lower abs, and obliques simultaneously. Lie flat on your back with your hands gently behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulders off the floor and bring your right elbow towards your left knee as you extend your right leg out straight. Switch sides by bringing your left elbow to your right knee, cycling your legs in a smooth, controlled motion. Perform bicycle crunches for 45 seconds, rest 15, then repeat 3 times. The twisting motion targets the obliques, helping define your waistline, while the cycling legs activate your lower abs, the area many struggle to tone. This full body core engagement also spikes your heart rate, which helps burn belly fat faster. Bicycle crunches build strength and endurance in your abs, improving posture and stability. Plus, they challenge your coordination, making you feel more agile and in control. The key is to avoid pulling your neck, let your abs do the work. Done consistently, bicycle crunches will flatten your belly and sculpt your sides, making your core feel solid and powerful. 5. High knees. High knees aren't just a warm-up, they're a fast-paced, fat-blasting cardio move that tightens your core and burns calories quickly. This exercise increases your heart rate and strengthens your lower abs, hip flexors, and calves. Stand tall with feet hip width apart. Begin running in place, driving your knees up toward your hips as high and fast as possible. Pump your arms vigorously to help maintain momentum and balance. Keep your core engaged throughout. Perform high knees for 30 to 45 seconds, then rest 15 seconds. Repeat for 3 rounds. This move accelerates fat loss by increasing cardiovascular intensity and activating your core with each knee lift. It targets belly fat by challenging the muscles in your abs and hips, which need to stabilize your body during the quick motion. High knees boost your metabolism, improve coordination, and build stamina, all while sculpting a lean midsection. The speed and power of this move make it a great calorie burner without any equipment. Push yourself, but listen to your body. Maintain a rhythm you can sustain. With every knee raise, imagine burning away stubborn belly fat and feeling stronger than yesterday. 6. Russian twists. Russian twists are a fantastic way to sculpt your waistline and tone your obliques without needing any equipment. This seated twisting move improves core strength and helps tighten the muscles along your sides. Sit on the floor with your knees bent, feet flat on the ground. Lean back slightly, keeping your spine straight and core tight. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Twist your torso to the right, tapping the floor beside your hip, then twist left, tapping the floor on the other side. Continue alternating sides with control for 45 seconds, rest 15 seconds, and repeat for 3 rounds. This rotational movement isolates your obliques, the muscles responsible for the V-shape around your waist. Russian twists not only burn fat but also improve spinal mobility and balance. The key is to keep your core engaged and avoid leaning too far back, which can strain your lower back. Instead, focus on smooth, deliberate twists that fire up your side muscles. With consistent practice, you'll notice a trimmer waist, stronger core, and better posture. This move helps you build the midsection strength needed for overall fitness and fat loss. 7. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a full-body explosive exercise that torches belly fat while building strength and endurance. They combine cardio with core engagement, making them an essential fat-burning move. Start in a high plank position, shoulders over wrists, core tight. Drive your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee forward while extending your right leg back. Keep switching legs as fast as you can while maintaining control and keeping your hips low. Perform for 45 seconds, rest 15 seconds, repeat 3 rounds. Mountain climbers spike your heart rate and engage your core, shoulders, and legs. The fast-paced, continuous movement burns a high number of calories and targets belly fat effectively. This exercise improves cardiovascular fitness, agility, and balance. It's tough but incredibly rewarding. Focus on keeping your core tight and hips steady for maximum benefit. As you get stronger, you'll feel your belly firm up and your endurance skyrocket. This move is a fat-burning game changer. Don't skip it. 8. Leg raises. Leg raises are a simple yet powerful move that targets the lower abs, a stubborn area for fat loss and toning. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and arms by your sides or under your hips for support. Slowly lift your legs towards the ceiling until they're perpendicular to the floor. Keep your legs straight and core engaged. Lower your legs back down slowly without letting your heels touch the floor. Perform 12 to 15 controlled reps, rest 15 seconds, and complete 3 sets. Leg raises isolate the lower abdominal muscles that are often the hardest to tone. The slow, controlled motion builds strength and muscle endurance, which helps burn fat more more effectively. By avoiding momentum and focusing on muscle control, you'll activate deep core muscles that support your spine and improve posture. This exercise is key for a flat-toned belly and a strong, stable core. With regular practice, expect to see your lower belly tighten and flatten. It's challenging but worth every rep. 9. Side plank hip dips. Side plank hip dips sculpt your obliques and tighten your waistline by combining the plank with a controlled dipping motion. Start in a side plank position with your forearm on the floor, elbow under shoulder, body in a straight line. Slowly dip your hip toward the floor, then lift back to the starting position. Keep your core tight and hips lifted. Perform 12 dips per side, rest, then repeat 3 sets. This move isolates your side abdominal muscles while strengthening your entire core and improving stability. The dipping motion adds a dynamic challenge that boosts calorie burn. It also strengthens your shoulders and hips, helping reduce injury risk and improving posture. Side plank hip dips help carve a defined waistline and a strong core foundation. Take your time and focus on smooth, controlled movements for maximum results. 10. Toe touches. Toe touches target your upper abs and help improve flexibility while promoting a strong core. Lie on your back with your legs extended straight up toward the ceiling. Reach your arms toward your toes, lifting your shoulders off the ground. Try to touch your toes or reach as far as you can without straining your neck. Perform 15 to 20 reps, rest, and repeat 3 sets. This move isolates the upper abs and helps lengthen and strengthen your core muscles. The reaching motion also stretches your hamstrings and improves flexibility. With consistent practice, your abs will feel stronger and more toned, helping you achieve a flatter belly. Focus on breathing and control to avoid neck strain. Toe touches are simple but effective for sculpting your core and boosting belly fat loss. And just like that, you've completed 10 powerful belly fat burning exercises without counting a single calorie or touching a treadmill. This is how you take control of your body without falling into the crash diet trap. Remember, consistency is key. These movements may seem simple, but if you commit to just 15 minutes a day, you'll feel stronger, leaner, and more confident within weeks. Don't underestimate the power of showing up. Even on days you're tired or unmotivated, just pressing play and doing a few reps builds momentum. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep moving. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, share it with someone who's struggling with belly fat, and subscribe for more no diet, no equipment workouts every week. And if you're serious about transforming your core, check out our Flat Belly Fast playlist linked right here on screen. You've got this, and I'm right here with you every step of the way. Until next time, stay strong, stay consistent, and remember, your abs are made in movement, not misery.